This morning we're heading to the one and only Home Bargains to buy some Pink Stuff products. And welcome back to another video. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. I'm Eve and it's lovely to have you with us. So today, as you can see, we're starting it a little bit different. I'm going to head into Home Bargains now, get some Pink Stuff products and clean my house. So I have used a couple of the Pink Stuff products before, but people seem to rave about it an awful lot, and at the moment I don't fully get the hype. So I'm going to put it to the test and let's see what happens. I've been able to get out all of the goods that were bought. I don't know about anybody else, but I cannot, probably never will, go into Home Bargains and buy what I intend to go in there for. I've come out with all kinds of goods, but we're not here to get sidetracked with that. We're here to focus on cleaning the house with the Pink Stuff products. So for a quick lowdown, we have the Miracle Window Glass Cleaner, the Miracle Laundry Oxy Stain Remover. I'm very excited to try this and I'm going to put a wash load on in a minute. We have the Foaming Carpet and Upholstery Stain Remover. Perfect, could do with trying some of this. Foam, Toilet Cleaner, Power Drops. I'm going to be very interested to see how these pan out. Power Foaming, Toilet Cleaner. I know you could say these are too similar, but I disagree because I have used this in the past and they are great, but in our toilets they do not go up to the top. However, we have two toilets in this house, so I use one in one toilet, one in the other. We've got some biodegradable floor wipes. Then to keep things fair, I was really hoping to get some cloths. Ideally the Pink Stuff cloths, but our branch didn't have any, so I got a ultimate clean set that gives us 3 cloths, and just to cover all bases I also got 2 simple white cloths. Let's get to it. A whitewash into the machine and I noticed that some of our socks are rather gross. So if you don't like things like this, skip this bit, because I'm going to show you, because I want to see the before and after using this stuff. So our socks are filthy from being in and out with Nova. I do try to keep on top of cleaning the floors, clearly failing at it right now. I'll be totally honest about that. So I'll show you a sock as an example. I mean, I know they're white, so they show up more anyway, but ooh, look at that. Hurts my soul. So let's put this stuff to the test and see if it works. So apparently all I need to do, spray, leave for no longer than 5 minutes and just wash as normal. Okay. I think I can do that. I'm going to spray one sock at a time because Nova's in here with me and I am conscious that she will come and investigate soon and I don't really want that. How white these have gotten. It's amazing. I mean, ignore this sock, you know, but it's great. You now join me in my downstairs toilet, and and the realisation of cleaning my house with the products I bought is going to be difficult, but we're going to do it. So in here we have the window and glass cleaner, the toilet cleaner, bathroom foam, 2 different cloths, and we also have these floor wipes. That sink has come up so nice. Let me show you. I don't know if the camera's picking up the shine, but that sink is shining. As you will have just seen, I have just swept the floor in the utility and had so much more dirt on there than what I was even aware of, so I'm glad I did that. I've just filled up my bucket with some hot water and I'm going to pop in some of these Miracle Power Drops. I'm now in the kitchen and I'm not going to lie, at first I was thinking the products that I've bought just aren't really right to use in the kitchen, but then I've actually used my brain and decided yes, there are items I can use. So I'm going to start off with filling up the sink, trying these power drops again and just creating some disinfectant. Wipe down the fridge freezer hob. I'm not going to use it on our worktops, just my own personal choice. In case it does strip them, I don't want that. And anything else really, you know, the cupboard doors, maybe the KitchenAid. I then also decided to go a little bit rogue and use this bathroom foam to clean the sink with. Because why would it make any difference? Here is some grim reality of what my sink currently looks like, but not for much longer. I know I definitely could have got a multi-purpose spray, but actually the Home Bargains that I went to didn't have any. But I also feel like that's kind of cheating because then I can just use it everywhere. And look how much better that's looking. I thought to myself it was a good idea to use the floor wipes to actually clean the floor. So I popped it onto the bottom of the Flash mop, and voila, it worked really well. Last room in today's video is the main bathroom. I'm going to try to be as quick as possible in here. Nova's asleep downstairs, but she's not in a crate, so I need to keep my ears out for her waking up. And who wants to hang around tidying, cleaning? Nobody, myself included. So let's get to it. As always, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've definitely learnt that the Pink Stuff products are really, really good.